Hey guys, Tech Tutorial Guide. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download and install a PlayStation 1 emulator for your PC. This is going to work for Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. It's called Duckstation. I haven't used it in a while, but let's get into it. So yeah. So the first thing you guys need to do is I'll put the link inside the description because why make a tutorial video if you're not gonna put the link inside the description of the video? So, so when you go to Duckstation, you guys can just search it up. It's duckstation.org org. When you come here, click on the Windows one, and then it will take you here. Make sure to download I was called the Virtual C because it will come in handy. And then after that, download the Duck. It's basically runtime. It's like a thing that you need to be able to run. Also, the application, pardon me. So it's downloading. First thing we're gonna install is the virtualization. My one is already installed. If you want, say it's like this is closed. If you guys one doesn't pop up with repair or uninstall, click install here. It should be installed checkbox. It's not gonna pop up with two checkboxes here. It's gonna be one installed or closed. But yeah, make sure to have it installed. If it says like this, that means you have it already installed. And just close it. You don't need it because I already have it installed already. So now I can go to here, right click, extract to the desktop. Just extract it somewhere that you want to put it. I'm probably just gonna put my C drive or Z drive. I'm gonna put on my D drive. Guys, make sure to get WinRAR. I should have showed you guys this, but make sure to get WinRAR. WinRAR. Because you need WinRAR to be able to extract the file. I should have showed you guys how to install it. WinRAR, it's a free software, but you guys can donate or buy the full version, but it allows you to use the free version for how many years you want. And yeah, basically, when you come to the page, just click on download this tutorial for 64-bit. So most computer these days are 64-bit architecture, so don't worry about that. When you come here, just wait for 5 seconds. Or you guys are too can't be bothered waiting for 5 seconds. Just click here, and then it should pop up right here. It's pretty simple to install. It's pretty like old layout, but it's a very good software. But let's get into it. After you do that, you guys can just right click. After you install WinRAR, just right click on the zip file, go to extract file. Now just select where you want to install the file directory. It's not really a file directory, just a file. I'm just gonna put mine on my other hard drives that I have around. So I'm gonna do this one. Click new because it's gonna generate a file name similar to the zip file name. So yeah, just click OK. And just wait for it to extract. After you extract it, now go to the file where you extracted. I'll extract mine on my D drive, so it should be right here. Duckstation. After you do that, you just run this one. Right click, run as administrator. Go to more information. Click on run anyway. Click on yes. After you do this, it has a similar layout to EX thing like the other PlayStation 2 emulator, but this is different emulator. The other one's for PlayStation 2 emulator. This is PlayStation 1 emulator. Similar layout. You guys can pick what sort of theme you want. English is gonna be just English. A language I mean it's gonna be English, and then enable this because it's gonna automatically update it for you when the time comes. Now we need the BIOS, guys. The BIOS. Now we need to go get the BIOS. We need the BIOS. Basically, just go on Google, search up PlayStation 1 BIOS. And then it should be a GitHub one here. This one's gonna come with Japanese and American, and I think click one here. Boop. It's start downloading right here. So that's the bin file. That's what you need. Let's go to browse. Go to where your downloads. If your downloads are not there, you have to just select the download file, and it should auto detect it like as it did right now. This is the one I just downloaded just then. You guys saw me download it. This one right here. Like this. I'll put the link inside the description for you guys, so don't worry about this. This one is for Japan. This one is probably American. I'll show you guys all of them. I'll let this one download too. So this one's downloading right now. No, it's not showing up. Oh, it is showing up. My bad, guys. Yeah. Okay, so you did the exact same thing basically. Go to auto detect. Let's go back to this. Basically, this one's only for Japan, basically. If you guys want other sort of things, emulators, you guys can get how much one you want, basically. So if I want like American one, I'll just do this. Basically, PlayStation 1 BIOS for what's it? US, Canada. There's a lot of them. I'll just put this one inside description for you guys. This one right here. This one is much more better. What was this post? 2012. Oof, very old BIOS. There's no latest ones, I think. There should be surely latest ones. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. I'll put this link inside the description. This is a different one. I think this is American or something, because at the end it's 1001. This one is 5500. That's Japanese one. So basically you do the exact same thing you did, but it should show up here. Just refresh this if you want to. And then yeah. Basically I just have to refresh this. Sorry guys. So this is how much I just downloaded. This is the BIOS I have. I have this one. I have Canadian one. Canadian one. Yeah, I just click next. And you guys wanna download an ISO of the game, I recommend you guys to just download .iso or .image, because other config files for the game are too compressed and you guys gonna run into problems with trying to extract them and stuff like that. But they are compressed versions of games. I can't physically show you guys how to download these games because I could get in, because these are gonna be pirated games basically because you can't really buy these ISOs like that. People get the games and then they burn the disc basically. And then when they burn the disk, they use a computer, and then that computer has a program that converts it into an ISO file. So that's how you be able to download ISO files for all the game consoles, PlayStation 1, GameCube games, because people have did it. Basically, people have, yeah. But putting a game on it is pretty simple. Just go on Google, search up a game you want for the PlayStation 1, and put ISO at the end. Download for free. That's pretty simple. It's not rocket science. Go next. So this is, I can set for the analog. You can you can use a controller of your only of your any sort of choice you want. You can use it, but just plug in the thing, and I'll try to run BIOS to see if it works. If BIOS works, I mean, it's good to go. I'll get it. That's basically it. That's the BIOS for the PlayStation 1. Uh, that's what you get, guys. Yeah, basically, basically, if you guys want to run the ISO file or game you guys want to run, let's go to, let me end this, okay? File. So basically, you guys can just go here, file, it's like ISO. Just come here and find where you installed or download the game from, and just click on the ISO, and then it should just boot automatically. And then second thing, you guys can tweak your own settings you want. You just go here, pick any settings that you guys feel thing, because like it takes time to really understand all these settings. You just have to play around. But if you guys are using a very low end PC, just come here and just lower everything here. Lower it to the max. But like a low end PC should be able to run, PlayStation 1 emulator. Surely it should be, so you're not gonna run anything in any issues. So yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys have to hopefully you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully this tutorial has even helped you guys out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Tech tutorial guy out. Peace. Stay safe. And yeah, thanks for showing love to my channel. Peace.